In our center, we're very unique. We have a practice, a private practice, as well as research protocols that we do. Patients have options of treatment. Sometimes when they come to our office, we actually will review with the patient what the traditional normal therapy is, which is sometimes drugs that are available out on the market right now. But if there's any clinical trials that they may be eligible for, we'll let them know that too. It's the patient's choice if they want to get into a clinical trial. There is no cost to the patient to be in a clinical trial. We find a lot of patients want to be in clinical trials for a number of reasons. We find some have no insurance. We find some that feel like their normal medication that they're paying for their condition is too expensive, or they have high out-of-pocket costs or high deductibles. So there's many reasons why people get into clinical trials. We can make no promises with clinical trials because when people get in, they could have a placebo or real active test article. With research, when they get into the trial, we're able to treat the condition they have. They know exactly what happens in a clinical trial. So on informed consent, they have page by page that tells them what to expect, what we're going to do at the visits. Regularly on the majority of the studies, we actually will do lab testing, sometimes urine testing, sometimes an EKG, sometimes a colonoscopy. It depends on each protocol. Every protocol is different. So most of the time in our IBD trials, if it's required by protocol, it is free to the patient. The majority of our trials are with inflammatory bowel disease, Crohn's and ulcerative colitis. But we do have a variety that come forth. We've even had gout trials in the past. So patients just need to call us and ask us what we have available, because we'll at least help direct them and tell them what we have, or maybe help them find a site that might be doing a clinical trial that they're interested in.